katak sedikit tadi kalian harus lihat ke sana sih, itu kayak keren banget, adem banget di sana gitu. Hai guys. Harvard
University. Depresso Dogu. Depresso Dogu.
And then there's the two people on the scene. They're not real people. They're made up. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these 3D printers. I think they're really weird, which is why I like to talk about them.
Fuck, dude.
The fuck you doing, man?
Kau number one yang dilihat orang keluar dari market hall kan?
Sama aja emang harusnya sih di sini orang welcome center di sini.
Meme.
Pip, lu ngilang duluan anjing. Lu ngilang duluan bangsat.
Udah jangan beat.
Sek banget lu dit.
Ada pisau lagi.
Ya buka dong anjing. Sini you dumb bitch.
Itu awas, goblok. Begal. Ada bisa matular.
Fuck shit. Sabar ikan. Gimana ya cara? Ada caranya.
Oh, katanya buka boang.
Cut. Ada caranya.
Oh my god, he got enough.
Lu kira Taiwan anjing gua bisa.
Lah gua dari hotel tadi colong semua gua.
Oh my god.
Iya, gua colong dua-duanya. Oh my god, he got enough, nigga. He got a fucking
Taruh di bagasi deh.
Ini nggak ada mic-nya kan?
Oh shit.
Ini nggak ada mic-nya kan?
Ada sekarang.
Oh, demi apa? Oh, ini.
Premium.
Oh, dapat boxer.
Oh my god.
No, man, that's what I do. Man, you dumb cunt, man.
What did you buy?
Oh my god. Ya iyalah dikasih kabelnya lah. Beli 4,5 nih. Beli 5 juta literally.
Kenapa kan lu unboxing aja?
Oh my god. Cunt, what the fuck are you doing, cunt?
Kamu beli yang
Oh my god. I want to fish. What the fuck, man? What the fuck?
Bukan apa-apa nih.
Udah tau video ya? Hahaha, you can.
Men, pap.
Bukannya
Pohon kampang.
masih belum disetujui oleh
Cuma maju sikit.
anggota DPR yang
Hey, I'm walking here. Ice cold one. Ini bener. Tunggu, aduh.
Welcome, youth delegates, guests, speakers, ambassadors, and friends, to this 24th session of the Youth Assembly.
We are planning on a series of new initiatives that are going to try to help you all connect around the year, 365 days a year, opportunities for you to learn and educate and develop year-round.
Career paths that the children want and also that are successful. Also that parents can look into getting information on if I want to do psychology and you don't know what that is, you can find out what that is before you say don't do psychology. And then we can see if I can make a living on Twitter. I had no idea, I just found out today in a session. Like somebody's on Twitter and they're making dollars. I'm like, what? I have Twitter too. So you get. So what's our third answer? What are some of those beliefs and habits that we want that we can look at to help us make the parents do something?
To realize that education is the bedrock of every economy, and we think that in order to address the sustainable goals, there are 3 things that need to be done.
Actually include these SDGs in your course, not only because it helps the students to learn, but actually you should actually make them have an impact project at the end of the day, so that you get the recognition from the UN.
Teachers, we have a really big role to shape kids and promote them to be a better person and a better leader for the world.
And we get to sit down and find a way of engaging with your child to be able to realize their lifelong dream. We'd like as a school to set up parent-teacher conferences for us to engage with you, one-on-one with your child.
Han, jangan retard, Han.
I'll jump in and say, what's my 1-minute advice? It goes to bringing climate change and resilience together. Resilience is a big word in the United States right now. If you're not resilient, you somehow haven't gotten the Kool-Aid to drink.
Dari kebutuhan gula lu setiap hari. Jadi ini udah 1,4 kali lipat lebih banyak dibanding kebutuhan gula lu hari ini. Jadi lu minum ini doang udah bisa 1,5 hari nih kayaknya.
That is diabetes in a bottle.
Kayaknya gara-gara Oyster kemarin.
Pasti ya.
Pesan anjir.
Gue bisa kayak gitu aja, gue bisa di hotel.
136%.
Gue pengen denger dari lu langsung deh. Coba lu ngomong, saya mesin cheese milk deh.
Saya mesen cheese milk.
Agama apa ya? Gue yang ngasih tahu idiom tuh ibadah.
Ateis anjing. Adit kan di kamar gue ajak sholat. Habis itu kata dia, entar ayah gue nggak tertarik.
Coba Dit kasih tahu kenapa, kapan dan kenapa lu pindah ke ateis?
Gini.
Apa kata dia benar?
Apa?
Oh, ini goat cheese.
Goat cheese.
Ini berempat.
Bayangin kayak itu kayak Indonesia.
Nggak bakal.
Kita mengganggu dalamannya.
Nanti siap-siap ya, Frank.
Next stop,